Home Depot Incorporated is a leading home improvement retailer that has played a transformative role in empowering DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Since its founding in 1978, Home Depot has grown into one of the largest and most successful home improvement retailers in the world. In this video, we will explore the success story of Home Depot, its key milestones, strategies, and the factors that have contributed to its success in empowering DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Key milestones and achievements, founding and early growth. Home Depot was founded in 1978 by Bernie Marcus, Arthur Blank, Ron Brill, and Pat Farrah. The company's vision was to create a one-stop shop for home improvement products and services. In its early years, Home Depot focused on expanding its store network and offering a wide range of high-quality products at affordable prices. This approach resonated with consumers and laid the foundation for the company's future success. Customer-centric approach. Home Depot's success can be attributed to its unwavering commitment to providing exceptional customer service. The company's founders recognized the importance of knowledgeable and helpful staff, and they prioritized training their employees to provide expert advice and assistance to customers. This customer-centric approach set Home Depot apart from its competitors and helped build trust and loyalty among its customer base. Store expansion and market dominance. Over the years, Home Depot expanded its store network aggressively, establishing a strong presence across the United States and later expanding into international markets. The company's large format stores became a destination for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering a vast selection of products, competitive pricing, and convenient services. This extensive store network and market dominance positioned Home Depot as a go-to retailer for all home improvement needs. Pro-focused initiatives. Recognizing the importance of catering to professionals in the industry, Home Depot implemented various initiatives to serve the needs of contractors, builders, and other trade professionals. The company introduced dedicated pro desks, specialized products, and services tailored to professionals, such as bulk purchasing options, job site delivery, and specialized training programs. These pro-focused initiatives solidified Home Depot's position as a trusted partner for professionals in the home improvement industry. Embracing technology and digital transformation. Home Depot embraced technology and embarked on a digital transformation journey to enhance the customer experience. The company invested in e-commerce capabilities, allowing customers to shop online, access product information, and even schedule in-store pickups. Home Depot also implemented innovative technologies such as mobile apps, augmented reality, and virtual reality tools to assist customers in visualizing their home improvement projects. By leveraging technology, Home Depot has been able to provide a seamless omni-channel experience and stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving retail landscape. Strategies for success. Extensive product selection and competitive pricing. Home Depot's success can be attributed to its vast product selection and competitive pricing. The company offers a wide range of products, including building materials, tools, appliances, and decor, catering to the diverse needs of DIY enthusiasts and professionals. By negotiating favorable pricing with suppliers and leveraging economies of scale, Home Depot is able to offer competitive prices, attracting customers and driving sales. Exceptional customer service and employee training. Home Depot differentiates itself from its competitors through its commitment to exceptional customer service. The company invests heavily in employee training programs to ensure that its staff is knowledgeable and capable of providing expert advice and assistance to customers. Home Depot's associates are trained to understand customers' needs, offer personalized recommendations, and guide them through their home improvement projects. This focus on customer service has earned Home Depot a reputation for being a trusted partner in the home improvement industry. Pro-focused initiatives and partnerships. Home Depot recognizes the importance of catering to professionals in the industry and has implemented various pro-focused initiatives to meet their unique needs. The company has established partnerships with professional organizations, contractors, and trade associations to provide exclusive benefits and discounts to professionals. Home Depot's specialized services, such as bulk purchasing options, delivery services, and dedicated pro desks have made it the preferred choice for professionals seeking quality products and reliable service. Innovative technologies and digital transformation. Home Depot's embrace of technology and digital transformation has been instrumental in its success. The company has invested in innovative technologies to enhance the customer experience and streamline operations. Mobile apps, augmented reality tools, and virtual reality experiences have allowed customers to visualize their projects, access product information, and make informed purchasing decisions. Home Depot's seamless omnichannel experience, including options for online shopping, in-store pickup, and delivery, has made it easier for customers to shop and engage with the brand. Community engagement and corporate social responsibility. Home Depot actively engages with the communities it serves through various corporate social responsibility initiatives. The company supports local communities through volunteerism, charitable donations, and disaster response efforts. Home Depot's commitment to giving back and making a positive impact has not only strengthened its relationship with customers, but also contributed to its overall success and reputation. Conclusion. Home Depot's success as a leading home improvement retailer can be attributed to its customer-centric approach, extensive product selection, competitive pricing, and commitment to exceptional customer service. The company's focus on serving both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, coupled with its embrace of innovative technologies and digital transformation, has allowed it to stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving retail landscape. By empowering DIY enthusiasts and professionals with the tools, resources, and expertise they need, Home Depot has become a trusted partner in the home improvement industry, enabling customers to bring their vision to life and create the homes of their dreams.